Succession College and its blessing be sound. A place that rich in history for many miles around. We built a school upon the moats and have been placed there. Name is sound and name is bright and sons are coming
Hello, everyone. ICCOBA is not just a website. It's a moving vehicle that helps you to know what has passed, what is going on, and what will happen. Today, I'll be sharing insight on how you use sets in ICOBA Worldwide portal. Now, if you are in ICOBA, Immaculate Conception College, Old Boys Association. Therefore, you are in one of the sets from 2023 down to 1960s, 1950s. Now, each set is represented by their ESCOs, their chairman, or their coordinators, depending on where you find yourself. Today, I'll be using 1999 sets as an example to show us how to use the portal. So if you are here to understand how to use ICOBA Worldwide portal, you are welcome. Going to the website icobaworldwide.org, O-R-G, click on sets. Now under sets, you will see all sets. We have Living Legend 1958 to 1964. Then from 1968, you find your own set, 68, 69, down to 2023. Now, if you are, it's going to be a long list. So in order for you to select your list, instead of scrolling, you type 1999 and only your set will come up. Now, this is 1999 with their sets, and this is their picture. Now let's come up here and remove the 1999. This is a placeholder. This image is a placeholder. If you see this image, know that your set has not uploaded the image for your sets. So go ahead and know how to upload it. So let's open 1999. Now this set has uploaded their own image. This is their image. You can select any image for your 1999 set. So let's click on 1999. When you open 1999, I want to know everything about the 1999 sets. What do? I scroll down and I'll see a welcome message by the set, by the chairman or the coordinator, depending on how you organize your welcome. And after welcoming the person reading this, you scroll down and you see their presidents. So if you click here, you see the executives. You have the executives and the position the executive holds. This is the vice president. This is the secretary. That's how you get all positions for the executives. Now, all members, now members that have been that have registered on the platform, they will appear here. Members that are registered on the platform will appear here. Now you scroll down and see all members that have registered on the platform. Now if you have registered and you have not been approved, you will not see yourself on the set. So register on the platform and see your profile on your set page. Then we have president speech. Now each year, each time you have new president, you can come here and write the speech for the group. Okay, now you have the contact us. Contact us, you can send a message from here to your set members backend, to your executives backend. Yes. Now, if your set is organizing or has organized a program, this is where you use to do that. You click on events and you see this is a test event. This is a test event, but now you can see the ICOBA worldwide event. ICOBA worldwide event. Okay. Now, if let's scroll down, you can read more about this. If there's read more or read less. Now you have this set, 1992 set also posted. So you check up. Here is the title of the event. Here shows that it's upcoming because it's 24th November, 18th to 24th November. That's when it's the anniversary celebration will take place. Now let's scroll down. We have ICOBA. This is the title, a business conference that has passed. So this is the 24th of August, 2024. 24th of August, meaning it has passed. So this is the time, this is the explanation of the stuff. Now this is the um the the flyer for that event. You can always click on it to view the flyer. You can click here now to view the flyer. You can make it wider if you can make it wider like this to view the flyer. So enough of that. Now let's talk about read more. Read more. This explains the read more. Why here you can make it less. Okay, you can read more. Of course, Great ICOBA, the president, and okay, you read more about the events, the program of events, the you know everything Thursday 21, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday was gonna be. Then the single, the amount to pay, and all that. Click on read less and you go to read less. Now, to register for this, online registration, you can click here and you do your registration. Okay. Now, if your set is organizing anything like a convention, also, your set can put it here for your set members to see for your set members. So the ICOBA Worldwide is not for a worldwide event alone. It can be done for your set also. So if your set is organizing anything, you come here and put your set event so that your set can also just go to the portal, which is icobaworldwide.org, and check the event that has passed and the event that are on their way, whether on their way. Now, after that, the last thing you see here is the gallery. So you can, put pictures of albums. You understand? Pictures of albums and, put them here. So if you click here, you see different pictures. Let's assume you have end of year party, get together, convention. These are places you put your pictures, you house them so that other set members can see what your set is doing. Other set members can see what your set is. You can click on it and you can scroll. Okay, you can click on it and scroll. You create album for them. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to use the backend, how ESCOs can use the backend to enjoy this. Now, this is just the front end side where we as members are going to see. So using this application, your set will enjoy the ICOBA worldwide to enrich your members so that they will have more information and let the information fly to every ICOBA worldwide. Thank you very much.